Namaste everyone, this is Swarna. Welcome to Swasa Yoga channel. Today we are talking about PCOS, Polycystic Ovary Syndrome. Polycystic Ovary Syndrome is a condition that affects a woman's hormone levels. The main symptoms of PCOS are missed or irregular periods, excess hair on body, weight gain, acne, infertility. In this video, I am going to share with you effective asanas for PCOS. Before start the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. Chakki Chalanasana. Spread both the legs out in front of you. Interlock your fingers. Keep your spine straight. Don't bend your knees. Inhale. While exhaling, start moving the upper part of your body to the front and right. Form an imaginary circle with your body. Inhale while bending forward. Exhale while back. Don't bend your elbows. Make 5 to 10 rounds in one direction and then repeat in the opposite direction. This posture helps in improving abdominal functions and exercises the uterus and reproductive organs, and also strengthen the abdominal muscles. Relax your body. Paschimottanasana. Sit up nice and straight in Dandasana. Inhale, stretch your hands up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, slowly bend forward, extend your spine, hold your feet. If you can't hold your feet, you can hold your legs wherever you reach. Slowly drop your head down and touch your head to knees. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. This asana stretches the lower back, hips, and improves fertility, relieves stress levels. Slowly come back to normal position. Do it at least 2 to 3 times a day. Baddha Konasana. First sit in Dandasana. While inhaling, fold the both legs. Bring the both feet closer to the perineum. Interlock the fingers and hold the feet firmly. Stretch the spine straight and look straight. Flap your legs. Maintain this posture for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Take normal breathing. This asana is very helpful to strengthen the pelvic muscles. While exhaling, release the hands and stretch out the both legs in front. Sit in Dandasana, relax. Dhanurasana. Lie on the stomach. Bend your knees, stretch your hands back and hold your both the ankles. Take a deep inhale. As you exhale, pull the legs up by raising the knees and simultaneously lift the chest off the floor. Maintain this pose for 5 to 10 seconds. Take normal breathing. Dhanurasana stimulates the reproductive organs and reduces menstrual pain and normalizes menstrual cycles. Slowly release your hands and relax your body. Practice this asana at least 2 to 3 times. Next, Bhujangasana. While exhaling, place the palms on the ground beside the ribs. Keep feet together. While inhaling, raise the head and chest slowly and look up. Maintain this posture for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Take normal breathing. Bhujangasana helps the pelvis and the back. It positively affects the ovaries and the uterus. Slowly Bring down the chest and head. Relax your body. Sarvangasana. Lie on the back. While inhaling, raise both the legs together to 90 degrees angle. By pushing your back with hands, raise the legs up vertically. Your both legs points up towards the ceiling. Take normal breathing. Hold this position for about 30 seconds to 10 minutes. This asana good in treating menstrual disorders. It tones up the pelvic organs. Brain gets rich supply of blood and oxygen. Halasana. Exhale, take the legs back and place the toes on the floor above the head. Release the hands and stretch them straight. Place the palms on the ground or interlock your fingers. Hold for about 5 breaths or 30 seconds. Increase the time gradually. Those suffering from high blood pressure and cervical spondylosis should avoid Sarvangasana and Halasana. This asana stimulates the abdominal organs. If you can't do this asana, practice other asanas regularly. Take your palm support and slowly come back to Savasana. Relax your shoulders and neck. Relax your body. Along with yoga, should follow healthy diet, drink lots of water and enough sleep. Practice regularly. Thank you. Health tip. Lunch should be your biggest meal of the day, not dinner. Eat more of your calories early in the day when you need the energy to work. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.